All right, back in the saddle with 3 and 4. Going to do 89.32 for box 3. That first absolute is uploaded now. And absolute 2 is going up as we break this. I kind of got off a late start tonight. I was hoping to get off early. That, of course, did not happen. Then had a little bit of traffic on the way home. I was unable to attend my nephew's birthday a few weeks ago. So I took him to our local Walmart and let him pick out his presents. Something that he didn't get. And I hung out with him for just a few. And then I told him that I had to get here, get the old case brakes rolling. Of course, when I got here, although I'd been answering emails and stuff throughout the day, I wanted to make one last run through all the eBays and see what spots had sold, if there were any offers, and I checked the emails and I answered a few of you back. And that, I ended up starting absolutes probably right before 7 p.m., I think. I mean, it was basically, I think, oh yeah, actually, I remember, it was right at 7. I checked my phone. So we're running a hair behind, but I think we can catch up here. Dale Jr. Silver. We're going to hit a Ryan Reed autograph right out of the gate. Select signatures, Ryan Reed. And I think we're going to have our second auto here. John Hunter Nemechek Silver. It's going to be Mark Martin, 16 of 49. Mark Martin, blue. Select endorsements for Mark Martin. We've got a blue Bubba Wallace. Dale Jarrett Select Star. Almirola Silver. Austin Dillon, Ryan Newman. Tire Sheet Metal. Harrison Rhodes. Kurt Busch. Chris Buescher. Eric Jones, Red, White, and Blue. Casey Kane. Couple base. We got a Kurt Busch tie-dye. Kurt Busch tie-dye prism, 9 of 24. Been a pretty good night for Kurt Busch. And last chunk of box 3 here. Kevin Harvick Silver, 180 of 199. Harvick Boyer, blue. We have a silver. AJ Allmendinger, Rusty Wallace Select Star. Jamie McMurray, red /99. Joey Logano. Ryan Blaney, silver. Joey Logano, Ryan Blaney. Dual tire. John Hunter Nemechek, red, white, and blue. Trevor Bayne. Silver is Paul Menard. Joey Logano, UCP. 3 base. Blake Cook, blue. Paul Menard, Speed Merchant. And Brad Keselowski, base. Let me see if this video, how the second absolute's going. Alright. Everything looks to be going good. We'll get right into 4 here, which is 0891. For our gold now, we got our tie-dye. We need a gold case though. Let's see what's in box 4 here. Nothing out of this world yet. Out of select. Two packs left here. There's box 4. Got a white Kyle Busch Speed Merchant, 10 of 50. Blake Cook, silver. Matt Kenseth, 41 of 50. Select endorsements, blue. Matt Kenseth. Red, white, and blue, Kurt Busch. Matt Kenseth select star. We got another tie-dye. Larson. Kyle Larson tie-dye. Numbered to 24. That is 10 of 24. Denny Hamlin Speed Merchant. 3 base. Dale Jr. silver. Jamie McMurray Kyle Larson, 46 of 99. Red tire fire suit. 3 base. Blue Tyler Reddick. Ryan Newman Speed Merchant. 3 base. Silver Brad Keselowski. 1 of 28. That's kind of odd numbering. Blue Casey Kane, Chase Elliott. 1 of 28. A little odd. 3 base. Kyle Busch silver. AJ Allmendinger. 3 base. Denny Hamlin silver. Dave Marcus 5 of 25. Red. Three base. William Byron silver rookie. Denny Hamlin Daniel Suarez. Tire. Matt Kenseth red, white, and blue. Kevin Harvick select stars. 3 base. Daniel Suarez silver. AJ Allmendinger UCP. 3 base. Kevin Harvick red. 58 of 99. Chase Elliott Speed Merchant. And Joey Logano base. That ends it for 4. Be right back with 5, 6.